Do you want to grow your YouTube channel and reach a wider audience? YouTube is not just an entertainment platform. It's a global stage where creativity meets opportunity. With over 2 billion logged-in users each month, it's a place where you can share your unique voice and stories, connect with people across the globe, and even turn your passion into a profession. But how do you get there? How do you turn your channel from a small spark into a roaring fire? That's what we're here to demystify. This video is your step-by-step guide to growing your YouTube channel. Whether you're just starting out or looking to reach new heights, we'll cover everything from understanding your target audience, creating quality content, optimizing your videos, to promoting your channel. It's a journey, and every journey begins with a first step. So, are you ready to take yours? Stay tuned to learn the secrets to YouTube success. The first step to growing your YouTube channel is understanding your target audience. Knowing who your viewers are, what they enjoy, and what they crave is at the heart of any successful YouTube strategy. Why is this so important, you ask? Well, imagine you are a chef. You wouldn't serve a steak to a vegetarian, would you? Similarly, as a content creator, you need to know what your audience wants to see so you can serve them the content they are hungry for. So how do you get to know your audience? The answer lies in YouTube Analytics. This powerful tool can provide you with a treasure trove of information from the age and location of your viewers to the type of content they engage with the most. Let's break it down. The demographics report can give you a snapshot of who's watching your videos. Are they mostly teenagers or adults? Are they predominantly male or female? This information can help you tailor your content to appeal to your audience's interests, lifestyle, and sensibilities. Next, look at the watch time reports. These can tell you what kind of content holds your viewers' attention. Are they more likely to watch longer videos, or do they prefer shorter ones? Do they binge watch your content, or do they drop off after a few minutes? These insights can guide you in creating content that not only attracts viewers, but keeps them watching. Also, pay close attention to the audience retention report. This can show you when viewers are dropping off, allowing you to identify any patterns or problems in your content that may be causing viewers to click away. Finally, the interest report can give you an idea of what your audience likes outside of your channel. What other types of videos are they watching? What other channels do they subscribe to? This can help you understand your audience's broader interests and potentially uncover new content ideas. Remember, YouTube is not just about creating content. It's about creating content that your audience wants to watch. And the only way to know what they want is to understand them. So delve into those analytics, get to know your audience, and start creating content that resonates with them. Knowing your audience is the key to creating content that resonates with them. Scene script. Quality content is the backbone of any successful YouTube channel. Imagine a world where you have limitless resources to create whatever you desire, but the quality of your creations is subpar. In such a scenario, the resources lose their value. This holds true for YouTube as well. It doesn't matter how frequently you post videos. If the quality is lacking, viewers won't stick around. Creating high-quality content may seem daunting, but it's quite achievable with some planning and effort. To start with, improving your video quality can be as simple as investing in a better camera or editing software. But remember, it's not always about having the most expensive equipment. You can create stunning visuals with what you have, provided you understand the basics of lighting, angles, and composition. Next, let's talk about storytelling. A well-structured narrative can captivate your audience, making your videos more engaging. Whether you're creating a tutorial, review, vlog, or skit, having a clear beginning, middle, and end will keep your viewers hooked. And don't forget to incorporate elements of surprise or humor to keep things interesting. Now, onto editing. This is where the magic happens. Editing is not just about cutting and pasting clips together. It's an art of pacing, color grading, sound mixing, and special effects. It's the final polish that enhances your storytelling and video quality. There are plenty of tutorials and online courses that can help you master these skills. Finally, your presentation skills. How you present your content is as important as the content itself. Be confident, be clear, and most importantly, be yourself. Your authenticity will resonate with your audience and keep them coming back for more. In conclusion, creating quality content is a blend of improving video quality, mastering storytelling, honing editing skills, and polishing presentation skills. It's a process, a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Remember, content is king. Make it as engaging and high quality as possible. Optimizing your videos can significantly increase their visibility. This statement is the heart and soul of growing your YouTube channel. It's a game changer, a magic wand that can turn your channel from a hidden gem into a shining star in the vast YouTube galaxy. So, what is video optimization, you might ask? Well, it's all about making your videos easy to find and attractive to click on. It involves using the right keywords, tags, descriptions, and thumbnails. Let's break these down one by one. Firstly, keywords. Just like how a lighthouse guides ships, keywords guide viewers to your videos. When users type in a search term, YouTube uses keywords to match the query with the most relevant videos. So it's essential to use keywords that are relevant to your content and popular among your target audience. You can use tools like Google Trends or YouTube's own search bar to find these keywords. Next up, tags. Tags are like little signposts that tell YouTube what your video is about. They help YouTube algorithm categorize your content and recommend it to viewers who are interested in similar topics. Again, use relevant and popular tags, but don't go overboard. YouTube recommends using around 10 to 12 tags per video. Then we have descriptions. A well-crafted description not only tells viewers what your video is about, but also helps YouTube understand the content of your video. Make sure to include your keywords in the first 2 to 3 sentences, as these hold the most weight in the search algorithm. Lastly, thumbnails. They say, don't judge a book by its cover, but when it comes to YouTube, that's exactly what viewers do. A compelling thumbnail can dramatically increase your video's click-through rate. It should be visually appealing, relevant, and include a title or short description. Remember, optimizing your videos isn't about tricking the algorithm. It's about helping the algorithm understand your content so it can find the right audience for it. It's an art and a science, and when done right, it can give your channel a significant boost. Optimization is the secret sauce that will get your videos seen by more people. So, roll up your sleeves, dive into the world of SEO, and let your videos shine. Promotion is the final step to growing your YouTube channel. Imagine this: you've developed a deep understanding of your target audience. You're creating quality content that resonates with them, and you've optimized your videos to perfection. But the job's not done yet. The last piece of the puzzle is promoting your channel. Let's start with social media promotion. It's not just about posting your videos on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. It's about creating a community around your content. Engage with your followers, reply to their comments, and ask them questions. Make them feel like they're part of your journey. Remember, the more they interact with your content, the more likely they are to share it, and the wider your reach becomes. Now, let's talk collaborations. Partnering with other creators can expose your channel to new audiences. Look for collaborators whose content aligns with yours, but who also bring something new to the table. This can be a win-win situation. You get to tap into their audience, and they get to tap into yours. It's all about expanding your network and increasing your visibility. Audience engagement is another key strategy. The more you engage with your audience, the more they'll engage with you. Respond to comments on your videos, ask for feedback, and conduct polls. Show your viewers that their opinions matter to you. This will not only increase your engagement rate, but also foster a sense of community among your viewers. And don't forget about SEO. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to make your content more discoverable. This will help you rank higher in search results and attract more viewers. Consistency is key in promotion. Regularly post content, engage with your audience, and collaborate with other creators. This will keep your channel fresh in the minds of your viewers and encourage them to keep coming back for more. Promote your channel actively and consistently, and watch your subscriber count skyrocket. Growing a YouTube channel takes time, effort, and patience. As we've explored today, there are several essential steps in this journey. Understanding your audience is paramount. It's about knowing their interests, their needs, and how best to engage them. Creating quality content is the heart of your channel. It's not just about what you make, but how you make it. Remember, your content should resonate with your audience and stand out in the sea of videos. Optimizing your videos is the key to visibility. Make the most of SEO strategies, use relevant keywords, and create engaging thumbnails. All these elements are crucial in making your videos discoverable. Promoting your channel is the final step. Be active on social media, collaborate with other creators, engage with your community. Your voice needs to be heard beyond the confines of your channel. Remember, there's no shortcut to success. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep growing. Your YouTube success story is just around the corner.